Hello, my name is Cassandra Zweigert. I live in Montezuma. It's about 30 miles west of Dodge City. I teach at South Gray High School. We're a shared district between the town next to us. So USD 371 is in Montezuma with the high school and our own grade school. And then USD 476 is in Copeland with our junior high and their own grade school. So I only teach 9 through 12 grades. We have about 80 students. We're a small 1A school. I teach FACS, Family and Consumer Science, and I have the FCCLA program, and I have a total of 8 preps. We do have block scheduling, so I don't have those every day, but it is quite a lot of work at times. Here's some interesting facts. I didn't start out in the world of education. I started out in 2001 at Fort Hays State University with going into psychology. I graduated in 2004 with my degree and an emphasis in geriatrics. I then moved on to the University of North Texas, where I was studying my master's in long-term care and nursing home administration. I did not expect to ever work with teenagers rather than geriatric population, but I guess here I am. Life changed. I didn't finish that degree, and I came home to Kansas and became a stay-at-home mom for 7 years. That was a pretty fabulous time in my life. I like to spend time reading. I make rugs. I cook and bake. I like being outside, and we're pretty avid Royals fans. Another interesting fact is Gilbert Peters, that is on the FHSU basketball team, was one of my students, so that's pretty fun to go back to Hays and watch him. Jackson Miller is also on the basketball team, and he was from Montezuma, but he graduated the year before. Here are my goals. My short-term goal is to finish this semester strong. Between this class, 4 kids, and the current COVID situation, it's kind of been a struggle. My long-term goal is to get more involved. I haven't been very involved in my school simply because I have 4 kids. I've been taking classes this whole time and just trying to get my ducks in a row and get everything done that I need to get done. This class, I want to learn how to create cultures of learning, mindful thinking, higher level thinking, promoting self-reflection, just more in-depth critical thinking than what I currently do. And then how to evaluate all of the above and how to assign and grade it, as grades are still a huge deal in our district. Good luck to everybody, and I can't wait to learn more.